Hi everyone, this is Francisco, the one and only, and in this video, I just wanted to point out how, this is regarding the Palisades fire that is happening out here in Southern California. Well, what's it called? They said something about some type of water reservoir that they failed to fix. Palisades water reservoir. Yeah, and it's empty. And I guess they had some maintenance issues with it. So specific Palisades reservoir was offline and empty when firestorm exploded. So this is like a super major concern, and possibly a big lawsuit towards the city and possibly even the county, because these fires would have probably never been so like large or whatever. But these people, there's a point where some of these people were complaining, I guess, about water or something. Santa Reserve in Pacific Place. Practical component. Well, I don't know, maybe it went down, but as far as I'm concerned, from what I was told, it was like it had problems. Oh, it was emptied before fires. The Pacific Palisades Reservoir was blah blah blah. So I think they were doing like maintenance on it or something like that. Broken hydrants, disconnected reservoir. LA's 750K year water chief. Something new about empty reservoir and broken hydrants months. Blah blah blah. And see, this is the stuff I talk about regarding AI technology, because this stuff here. Oh, they disconnected me. Great. This stuff here, what's it called? This stuff here, is a huge concern for a lot of reasons other than the reasons that they are stating. And there was a video I was watching where it was like describing bridges that collapsed, and they collapsed due to poor upkeep and maintenance and stuff like that. And remember that these accidents actually cause deaths as well. Okay, and in the city of Palisades, it's reported that there's so far 2 deaths, and then I think in the Eaton fire there is like 5 deaths, and then there's another fire and they reported like 10 deaths. So I don't know if it's 10 new deaths or an additional 3 deaths, which makes up for the 10 deaths. Okay, but I already recorded a video a while back saying that whenever there's a maintenance issue, AI technology should make the work order, and it should just have a crew, someone that's licensed to go and do the job. And whoever does it, AI technology will pay them through the United States Treasury, or however you people pay your employees. So, oh shit, I gotta go. I mean, it doesn't even fucking matter anymore. You guys are just disgusting.